Why do we eat sesame on Makar Sankranti? The scientific reason behind it. Take sesame and jaggery, speak sweetly. We've been hearing this saying since childhood. But honestly, it's easy to speak sweetly for one day a year, but it's hard to maintain your health all year round. Hello friends, I'm Sahil. Today's video is for those who like to know the science behind festivals. Why do we eat laddus on Makar Sankranti? Just for the taste? Or is there some rocket science behind it? Our ancestors didn't just stumble upon this food combination. They figured it out by doing data analysis. Today, we're going to decode the science behind this power couple, Sesame and Jaggery. So, let's get started. First, let's understand a little geography. Makar Sankranti usually falls on January 14th or 15th. This time of year is the peak season for winter in India. Just like our laptops need a cooling fan when they overheat, in winter, our body's CPU needs internal heating to stay warm. The outside temperature is low, and to maintain our body temperature, we need more calories and warming foods. And here enters our hero, Sesame. According to Ayurveda, Sesame is Ushna warm, but in scientific terms, it's an energy capsule. Let's look at the data. 1. Healthy fats. Sesame contains monounsaturated fatty acids. In simple terms, it's good oil that lubricates your body from the inside. In winter, our skin gets dry, lips crack, knees ache. Sesame acts like a natural moisturizer for all that. 2. Calcium king. You might think drinking milk makes your bones strong, right? Hold on. 100 grams of milk has about 125 milligrams of calcium, but 100 grams of sesame has 975 milligrams of calcium. That's almost 10 times more. So, if you're lactose intolerant or vegan, sesame is your secret weapon for strong bones. Now the question is, why not sugar? Why only jaggery? Sugar is refined. It only has empty calories. But jaggery? Jaggery is a complex carbohydrate that releases energy slowly into the body. This keeps you feeling warm for longer in the cold. Besides, jaggery is rich in iron. So the math is simple. Sesame plus jaggery equals perfect winter immunity booster. This combination helps with digestion and also reduces constipation that can happen in winter. So friends, the Sankranti Laddu isn't just a festival treat, it's a health algorithm created by our ancestors. So, next time someone tells you to take sesame and jaggery, don't feel guilty while eating the laddu. Just understand that you're servicing your body. Just one tip, these are warm, so don't eat a whole kilo of laddus at once, or global warming will start in your body. Let me know in the comments how you liked this scientific angle. If you want to deep dive into more interesting topics like this, be sure to subscribe to the channel. I'm Sahil, see you in the next video. Until then, happy Makar Sankranti.